Do you have an upcoming Social Security disability hearing? This video is for you. My name is Caitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to be discussing some tips and tricks that you may want to consider when preparing for your Social Security disability hearing. Number one, if you don't have an attorney, you will want to review your case file. You can obtain a copy of your complete case file directly from the Social Security Administration and review it thoroughly. You'll want to familiarize yourself with the documents and the evidence that they have on records to ensure not only the accuracy of the records, but also be able to identify any potential gaps or inconsistencies. Number two, you want to understand the hearing process. You want to educate yourself about the Social Security disability hearing process, including learning about the structure of the hearing, who will be present, and what types of questions will be asked of you during the hearing. Knowing what to expect can help you feel more prepared and confident during the hearing. After reviewing the evidence, you want to make sure you organize the evidence. You want to compile and organize all relevant evidence and make sure it's submitted to the Social Security Administration. This includes medical records, test results, treatment history, statements from your healthcare providers, and any other supporting documents. You want to submit them to the Social Security Administration in a logical and chronological order. That can help to present a clear and compelling case. After that, you want to make sure to prepare your testimony. Take the time to prepare your testimony in advance. You want to practice explaining how your disability impacts your ability to work and carry out daily activities. You'll want to be specific about your limitations, your pain, and your challenges. When you're doing that, focus on providing clear examples and be sure to avoid any exaggeration or understating. Finally, you may want to seek professional guidance. Consider hiring a Social Security disability attorney that can provide valuable insight into not only your records, but also presenting a clear and cogent argument. The attorney may also be able to represent you effectively during the hearing and help prepare your testimony. Their expertise can sometimes significantly increase your chances of success. Remember, these tips and tricks are meant to provide general guidance, and it's important to consult with a disability attorney who can provide personalized advice based on your specific case and your specific circumstances. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.